We'll guide you through how to make SuperPins Zen browser. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because pin tabs and SuperPins help organize frequently used websites and improve browsing efficiency in Zen browser. Start from the desktop and locate the Zen browser icon on your computer. Press Zen browser, and you will see the browser pop up on your screen. Once the browser is open, look at the left side of the screen where the website tabs are displayed. Hover your mouse there and open the website you want to keep handy. In this example, the Zen website and YouTube website are already open in separate tabs. Press the website tab you want on the left side of the screen, then make sure the site is fully loaded and confirm you are on the exact page you want quick access to, because that specific tab is the one you will pin. Next, stay focused on the left side of the screen where your tabs are located. Right-click directly on the tab you want to pin. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to the selected tab. Look for an option called Pin Tab or something similar, depending on your version of Zen browser. Click Pin Tab. Previously, the tab showed a detailed title, but now the tab will slide to the top side of the tab strip and become a smaller icon instead. You can also add more than one pin tab. If you want to add the Zen browser website to your SuperPins too, navigate through the tab strip again and hover over the Zen browser tab before right-clicking it. Another drop-down menu will appear, and you will need to press Pin Tab again to superpin it. After doing that, there will now be two icons at the top of the tab strip instead of one. Those icons are your superpinned websites, allowing quick access anytime. To remove a website from SuperPins, hover at the top of the tab strip and select the website you want to remove before right-clicking it. Another drop-down menu will appear, and you simply need to press Unpin Tab to remove the superpin. In Zen, pin tabs are automatically treated as superpins, so there is nothing extra you need to configure.